Hello guys, welcome to Inspire to DIY. It is so good to have you here. In today's video, I share how I was able to transform an old Ottoman to something more beautiful. The first thing I did was to remove the legs that will be spray painted silver. Next, I went on and removed the old fabric using some scissors. It is really easy to cut through, so I went and did that all around. I also removed the old batting, and I'll be using spray adhesive to add a new batting to the foam. If you're here for the first time, it is so great to have you here. Don't forget to hit on that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my next videos. After adding the batting, I'll be using this beautiful blush pink fabric that I got from JoAnn to cover the whole piece. To make sure that the cover stays on the Ottoman, I'll be using my staple gun, and it makes the job a lot easier. To avoid too many staple points, I only staple down the beginning and the end of the fabric all around the Ottoman. Any remaining parts were then stapled down on the bottom part of the Ottoman. For the top part, I took an additional piece of fabric and I started by stapling it down in the middle of the Ottoman and then just work my way around. I then created additional tufting at the top part. I then used a piece of fabric that I turned into a ribbon to cover the staple heads on the side. To add some shine to the piece, I'll be using this beautiful silver ribbon that I also got from JoAnn. And to cover the staple heads on the top part, I'll be using acrylic gems. And once the legs were dry, I then went on and screwed them back on. Using a trash bin from Walmart, I'll be creating a matching side table. To ensure that the bottom part is as wide as the top part, I'll be using 4 pieces of cardboard that are glued together. Next, I glue them at the bottom of the bin, and that'll make it a lot easier when I'll be adding the foam. Using the spray adhesive, I'll be adding the foam to the band and later on add some batting. And to reinforce everything, I also use duct tape between the cardboard and the foam. Once the batting was all added, I'll be using this beautiful blush pink faux leather fabric that I also got from JoAnn to cover the piece. I went on and starting to staple down the bottom part all around the cardboard. I cut in any additional pieces and glue in the rest. I also used poster board to cover the inside of the bin. For the top of the side table, I'll be using this charger that I'll then cover with remaining pieces of the faux leather fabric. If you wanted, you could also use hard cardboard. You'll just have to cut it to size. To also add some shine to the side table, I'll be using the remaining piece of the ribbon and just glue it on the frame. I also used that same ribbon to create a little twist ribbon decor. To add some height to the side table, I'll be using this clear bowl that I got from Dollar Tree and also this beautiful silver ribbon to add some touches to it. And as the final step, I'll be gluing both of the pieces together. like that, I created a really beautiful side table with storage using a trash bin that I got from Walmart. This project turned out so beautiful, and I love that it matched my new Ottoman. This project turned out so beautiful. I really love how I was able to use something so simple to create a really beautiful side table with additional storage, and also I was able to revamp an old Ottoman to something more glamorous and more beautiful. You guys, do not forget, you can always revamp old furniture to something more glamorous and something that matches your style. I hope you guys enjoyed this project. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. If you have not, go ahead, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my next projects. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.